Wright. I am 18 years old. I am a senior, and I am the Cat in the Hat. My favorite Seuss characters were the Things, and because the Things are amazing. And my favorite book would probably be Redfish, Bluefish. So, the Cat in the Hat is a very mischievous narrator for the whole Seussical world. So basically, during the entire musical, I'm creating the world that JoJo sees, and I am bringing him, through the world, and I'm kind of messing with things and tailoring things to make it more fun and just a little different is how I see the Cat in the Hat. The most fun part is the fact that I get to do a bunch of different accents and I get to act like a bunch of different characters rather than just having one static role. 100%. Do you see this hair? I completely feel like I have a connection with the Cat in the Hat, and I am so happy that I get to play it. People should come see the show because there are so many amazingly talented people in the show. Whether it's basically every role we have a superstar, let's be honest. So I think anyone from little itty bitties, 2-3-year-olds would really enjoy the show, all the way to high school students. I think anyone would enjoy the show. It's just super colorful, it's super bright, super happy and fun. There's a little bit of sad parts, but in the end everything goes really well and it's awesome. So, come on see it. All right. It was nice seeing you, and I hope you'll come see the show.